In the same way that we can use the repeat block in our block code, we can similarly do something with Python Turtle to get our instructions repeated without having to type it over and over again. The way we do that in our version of Python Turtle is to type repeat space followed by the number of times we want to repeat and then the dot dot symbol, which is the colon at the end. You can see it's very similar to the repeat block that you might have used before, except there's a colon at the end and there are spaces that are pushing in the code where that code would normally sit inside the repeat block. And those spaces there is called an indent, and this is the code that's been pushed in or indented. The code belongs inside the repeat instruction, just like how we would see that in the block. The way we would type those spaces in is to press the tab key. So let's go through a very quick demo here in our code. You might remember to draw a square. We're going to do this, and then turn left 90 degrees, and I'm going to do this an extra 3 times. Right, so this will draw a square. So to make this shorter, and instead of having to type this 4 times, I'm going to delete all that, and let's just start by repeating 4 times. I know in advance I'm going to repeat 4 times. I'm going to press enter. The moment I press enter, notice that the editor has automatically inserted that space for us. Okay, so you should see the blinking cursor should now be indented underneath the repeat instruction, which means that this line of code that we're going to type is going to belong inside this repeat code. Okay, so I'm going to go forward 100, okay, and then I'm going to press enter again. Notice that it's automatically created that indent for me as well, and I'm going to go left 90, okay, and that's it. So this is saying everything that's been indented or pushed in is going to be repeated 4 times. Okay, so if I run this now, I get exactly the same result as I would have if I had typed in those instructions 4 times.